Well, there's the bug back from paint. I've had it back for a while. It's a little dusty, so still needs to obviously get the fender beading on, fenders, lights. Then I'm going to take it back to get a buff and possibly a clear coat on it. It's pretty good paint right now. I don't know what stage I want to actually get it to, but came out very good. It's pretty stripped down. All the trims off, all the clips. We did go ahead and get undercoating on the back side of all the fenders and behind the fenders on the body itself, and of course underneath the car, which you can see there. And fenders over here, and they're all undercoated. So still need to pull off the aftermarket exhaust pipes, put the stock ones back on. I'm gonna start with pulling out the seat, obviously, which is not stock. I'm gonna clean all that out, pull all the interior out, put the soundproofing in, and epoxy primer, new headliner, new carpet, new seats. That's all going to go in. Still working on the seat construction over here. I've got all the replacement upholstery. Just need to put it on the frames. And carpet is over here. Just got this in from Wolfsburg West. Got all the carpet. Got the fender, carpet, and fender beading. Got the German lights, handles, seals, door molding, and this beautiful box here are the new bumpers. So anyway, that's where we are now.